A good indicator of a country's public health is the ratio of doctors to the general population. 1st July being National Doctors' Day, it is worth our while to let the right data highlight these numbers. But how does one get these figures? Here are 2 ways in which you can go about it. 1. You could visit the website of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare's Central Bureau of Health Intelligence, hover over Publications, click on National Health Profile, select the year you want data for, and open and download the many parts of that year's report individually. Then you can collate and clean everything before you and analyze the stats manually. This process will take you several hours. But if you are more interested in analyzing the data without spending all this time, just visit dataful.in, log in or create an account, search for the dataset you want with the right keywords, click on it and check the dataset preview to see if it has the information you need. Finally, download the dataset in your preferred format. So, what will it be? Searching for data in report after report and file after file, collating and cleaning the stats painstakingly, or downloading a clean, ready-to-use dataset from Dataful? Subscribe to a Dataful plan today and get access to our vast collection of cleaned, ready-to-use datasets across sectors.